Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a template here in DocuSign. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your DocuSign account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, go ahead over to the top and locate templates. Just click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Create Template. Okay. As you can see here, I already have one. I'm going to show you how I did it. So just click on Create Template. Wait for this page to load, and once it loads, go ahead and name your template. For example, my sample template. Okay, go ahead and add in your description so you can go ahead and easily spot this later when you needed it. Okay, pick me, like so. Now go ahead and add your documents. Okay, just click on Upload, select from desktop or whatever apps that is connected to your DocuSign account. Okay, or if you want to as well, you can go ahead and create a new document. Okay. I'm going to click on desktop right here. I'm just going to upload a sample file or PDF file. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you got to scroll down. Now just go ahead and add a recipient or recipients. For example, I'm going to add in a role, for example, the boss, like so. Name. I'm just going to put my name into email. And then I'm going to add in a new recipient, for example, HR, like so. Okay. I'm going to add in my secondary account. Okay. Click on drop down right here and select whether the person needs to sign, in-person signer, receives a copy, or needs to view. Okay. Add in more if you want to as well. You can also add it directly from your contacts by just clicking on the drop down and click on add from contacts. Now, add a message here if you want to as well. Okay. For example, sign this now. Email message right here. Go ahead and add in your email message. And once that's done, go to the top right, click on the advanced options. Okay. You can enable auto reminders, something like that. Also a template password. Okay. Click on the slider, then go ahead and add in your password. So it says here it only allows you a maximum of 15 characters. So go ahead and add in your preferred password. Okay. I'm just going to turn this off. Just go ahead and hit on save. Close this one. Go ahead and click on save and close. All right. There you have it. There you have your template. You can start this template if you want to as well, so that you can easily spot it. Now, the next time you log into DocuSign, you can now go ahead and click on use a template and select one of your templates right here under my templates. Okay. Add. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.